Hey guys, let's take a look at this dash cam. It's a 4K dash cam with 5 gigahertz. And also here, what's important, the camera has touchscreen, okay? So it's pretty rare to find dash cameras with touchscreen plus 5 gigahertz plus 4K. So it's promising. Let me just open the box and take a look. There we go. That's the user menu. Here I see some stickers so you can put on the windshield to protect when installing the camera. And here it's probably the camera itself. There we go. So here I see the lens, also a speaker for the camera. Here there is a mic and probably a reset button. And I can see here the connection for the rear camera, a Type-C connection to charge the camera or to power the camera on. And here a slot for an SD card. It looks like it comes with an SD card. Let me just take a look. Yeah, it's a micro SD card, 64 gigabytes, right? So it looks good. Let me just put it here back. There we go. Here's the LCD screen. I just need to remove this plastic and it looks good, right? Let me just take a look here. Here's the power button. Let me just take a look here in the accessory that comes with the camera. There we go. All this is to power the camera on. So basically you put on the cigarette lighter. You have an extra port here, USB. And here, USB-C, so you can connect to the camera to power it on. Looks good. Here's some stickers or something that you can use to manage the cables. And the rear camera. There we go. With a long cable. So you can just connect to your camera. And here you also can remove the sticker and install your camera, okay? Let me see if it moves. There we go. Oh, that's nice because it moves like 360. So you can stick this on the windshield and on the back, on the rear part of the car. Remove this from the lens and just adjust. So it looks pretty good. Have the cable here. Probably you can remove it for easy installation. There we go. Just remove. Run your cable, put it back into place, and you're good to go. Some tools here for installation. And let me check here. More stickers for the installation. And there we go. Have everything here. Let me just put this box aside and put everything that I have here so you can see what comes in the box. There we go. In here, let me take a look on some of the features. You see 4K front camera, super night vision, the front 170 degrees and the rear 150 degrees. So you have a wide angle view here. And it comes with the SD card. And I was also saying before, touchscreen, GPS tracking, 4K resolution, and 5.8 gigahertz Wi-Fi, which is pretty rare on devices like this. You can connect to your cell phone. And here, let's take a look at the user menu. It looks pretty nice. Let me just double check. There we go. Package list. And there's some picture with color here. Some details. Oh, this user menu is very good. It's also rare to see a good one like this, right? You see this? High quality user menu. With color, with everything, right? So looks premium, okay? The user here, there is a menu, looks premium, pretty good. The material here, the paper also pretty good. So looks a good device, okay? I'm gonna install this into my car, test it, and see how it works, right? So if you want, just go to Amazon and get yours.